Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to adjust the side mirrors in Toyota RAV4. Okay, so let's begin. So if you want to change their position, on our left side we have this panel, and let's begin with selecting the mirror. So now I have selected the left one, and now I have selected the right one. If you want to go into the neutral position, simply gently click and make sure that this button is completely flat. So now let's adjust the left window. So let's select the left one, and now using this this joystick, I would say, we can adjust the placement of our mirror. So now I'm holding the up button, the mirror goes up. Now I'll click the down button, it goes down, and of course same thing with the left and the right. And the same thing of course will be with the right one. Simply select the right one, and now I can also change the position. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.